Welcome. In front of me is ACER TravelMate P2, and in this video I will show you how to put applications on full screen on this laptop. To do it, you have to either double click the top bar of the application and then double click it again to demaximize it. Otherwise, you can use this icon right here. And you can also grab the top bar of the application and drag it to the top of the screen. And then you can drag it down to demaximize it. You can use all of these methods interchangeably. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.